Today, we're making a rich and aromatic Polao rice. Fluffy, fragrant rice simmered in a soulful masala, layered with tender potatoes, green peas, and warming whole spices. Start by washing the rice until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and ensures fluffy, separate grains. Then soak it for about 30 minutes. While the rice soaks, slice the onions. Cut the ginger and garlic into small pieces. Then blend them with a splash of water to make a smooth ginger garlic paste. Slice the tomatoes. Green chilies. And lemon. Making sure to remove the seeds, as they can introduce bitterness into the dish. Cut the potatoes and place them in water to prevent browning. Lastly, slice the bird's eye chilies and chop the coriander leaves. Now let's move to the stove. In a pan, heat some ghee and add cumin seeds. They'll sizzle and infuse the ghee with a warm, earthy aroma that sets the foundation of the dish. Add the sliced onions and sauté until light brown. This gives the final rice that deeper, richer color. Next, add the bird's eye chilies and stir. Followed by the ginger garlic paste. Rinse the blender with a bit of water and pour that in as well to get every bit of flavor. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Then stir in the potatoes. Prepare the whole spices: black cardamom, cloves, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, and bay leaves. Add them in and let them toast briefly to release their fragrance. Add a bit of water and cook until it reduces slightly. Now add your ground spices: chili flakes, coriander powder, fennel seeds, cumin powder, crushed coriander, and salt. Stir thoroughly and cook until the oil separates and the potatoes are about 50% cooked. Then add the tomatoes and stir to combine. Pour in more water and stir well. Once it boils, cover and simmer, checking occasionally to prevent sticking or burning until the potatoes are about 90% cooked. They should be tender but not falling apart. At this point, add garam masala. Followed by half of the green chilies and half of the chopped coriander leaves. Stir well and let it simmer another minute to bring the flavors together. The masala is now ready. In a rice cooker, combine the soaked rice and thawed green peas. Since they're frozen, they go in now, but if you're using fresh peas, add them earlier with the potatoes in the masala. Then add the prepared masala. Add water and mix gently. Top with the remaining coriander leaves, green chilies, and lemon slices, seeds already removed. Sprinkle in black pepper and fennel seeds. Give it a final stir and close the lid. Cook for 30 minutes. At the 15-minute mark, open the lid, stir gently, and add Cura water for a subtle floral touch. Close the lid and continue cooking. Once done, fluff the rice gently and serve hot. This Polao rice is aromatic, comforting and full of texture, perfect for family gatherings or a cozy weekend meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.